teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. A very warm good morning to all of you. Today I will be speaking on topic obedience to parents. Friends, after obedience to Allah and His Messenger, we most important to be obedient to one's parents. Being polite and helpful to one's parents is the duty of every Muslim. Children sometimes do not realize how much their parents have done for them. Every mother bears a lot of hardship in upbringing to her child. She often spends many sleepless nights patiently caring for her baby's kids. Parents gladly spend their money, time to buy clothes, food, medicine, and toys to make him happy and try to provide good education for a loving home to the child. Parents feel very happy if the child is kind, polite, helpful and obedient. If the child is rude, disobedient or lazy, they feel disappointed and even embarrassed. When parents become old and weak, they need love and care, just as they gave their children when they were young. When they were young. We should never forget that if our parents had not taken care of us, we probably would not survive. Allah says in Surah Bani Israel, as the translation goes, your Lord has decreed that you worship nothing but Him, and that you be kind to parents. By offering our help, we show them how much we love and respect them. We should do our best to obey our parents. To obey our parents, we must be polite and loving to our mother and father, and we should help our parents in household work. Wassalam, Allah Hafiz.